So hello and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are solving example 4.7 of chapter chemical kinetics. So as you can see the question, the given part is that first it is a first order reaction. So given it is a first order reaction. So as you can see what is given in the question, it is a first order reaction. So reaction is first order, right? What else is given? Rate constant. So rate constant K is equal to how much? 5.5 into 10 power minus 14 second inverse. Okay, what you need to find? You need to find T half. So to find T half, okay, and what is the formula you are going to use? Formula. So for first order reaction, for first order reaction, T half is equal to 0.693 by K, right? So now we'll see the solution part. Okay. So what is solution? Solution part. So T half is equal to 0.693 by K. K's value is 5.5 into 10 power minus 14 second inverse, right? So when you simplify this, you get 1.26 into 10 power 14 second, right? So T half for this reaction is 1.26 into 10 power 14 second, right? So I hope you have understood the explanation. If any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. We are solving example 4.8 of chapter chemical kinetics. So as you can see the question, the given part in the question is given reaction is first order, right? What you need to find? You need to find here or to prove T 99.9% is equal to 10 times T half. Okay. Now what should be the approach? See the approach part. Approach. So in what way you should approach this? First find T for 99.9%, right? What is the time required for 99% completion, that you find. Okay. Then write the expression for T half, and then finally divide T 99.9% by T half, right? So this should be our approach in solving the question. Now let us solve the question. Now see the solution part. First we will see time required for 99% completion. So A, 99.9% completion. Okay. So here initial concentration is concentration, that is A, is how much? 100%. Okay. Concentration left, that is A minus X. Now since they are saying 99.9% is completed, so that means A minus X is 100 minus 99.9, that is 0.1%. Okay. So the formula which we are going to use is, formula is K is equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X, right? So now we'll substitute the values. So K is equal to 2.303 by T for how much? 99.9%. Log A is how much? 100. A minus X is how much? 0.1. Right? So if you simplify this, you get 2.303 by T 99.9% log 10 power, you remove this decimal, so here you will get 10, right? So 10 power 3. Okay. So now our expression is K is equal to 2.303 by T 99.9%. 99.9% log 10 power 3. So 10 power 3 is how much? 3 log 10. Now we know that log 10 is 1. So this becomes 2.303 into 3, right? So 2.303 into 3, since log 10 is equal to 1 divided by T 99.9%, right? So when you simplify this, you get 6.909 divided by T 99.9%, this is equal to K, or T 99.9% is equal to 6.909 by K, right? Now we know that T half is equal to 0.693 by K, right? So what we'll do, we'll divide T 99.9 by T half. So T 99.9% by T half is equal to how much? 6.909 by K into K by 0.693. So this is approximately 10, right? So we can say that T 99.9% is equal to 10 times T half. So this is what was asked in the question, right? So I hope you have understood the explanation part. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.